Hello Internet, welcome back to my kitchen. This recipe happened because I had a few things in my fridge that needed to be eaten, so they became this one-pot sausage and kale stew. Start by cubing up an eggplant. Get a large pot on the stove and heat up some oil. Once the oil is hot, it's time to start adding about 1.5 cups of chopped onion. I almost always have onion prepped in my fridge. Next, add a 12-ounce package of sweet Italian sausage. Hot Italian sausage would also be great, but I wasn't sure if I wanted spicy food or not when I was making this. Cook the sausage until a good amount of fond, aka browned stuff, is in the bottom of the pot. Now it's time to add some cubed bell pepper, about 3 cups, which was also pre-cut in my fridge. Follow that with 3 quarts of homemade chicken stock. I forgot to get mine out of the freezer, but that's okay, it melts fast enough. Add in the eggplant and salt and pepper to taste. While that's cooking, it's time to rough chop a bunch of kale into bite-sized pieces. I used about 8 cups worth without smushing it down into the measuring bowl. Now that my chicken stock has melted down, it's time to add 2 cups of brown rice. If you didn't have to thaw your chicken stock, I'd recommend waiting about 10 minutes before adding the rice so the other vegetables have a chance to cook down a bit first. Stir it up and continue cooking until the rice is done. Check your rice package for cooking time. Once the rice is done, turn off the stove and add about 1/4 cup of cream. Mix well, then add the kale. If you're working in a smaller pot, you might want to add the kale in batches. Wait until all the kale has melted down, then it's ready to serve. I decided I did want spicy food, so I highly recommend adding a bit of sriracha, your favorite hot sauce, or some crushed red pepper flakes just before serving. Or, if you know you want spicy food from the start, go ahead and add it to the pot along with the salt and pepper. Let me know if you make this and what you think of it in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.